Alright, y'all. So, this is the bathroom that we are currently working on. I'm going to insert some pictures to show, well, a picture to show you what we had before. This is the new tub shower combo. And this is what we have left. Oh, and the new floor. It's laminate, since it's the bathroom. Put Adler down. This is actually the other bathroom, the one that we all use. This used to be the master. It's in Adler's room, and it broke shortly after we moved in, and the only way to fix it was to bust all the tile out and replace the stuff in the wall, like this kind of stuff. This goes to the other bathroom, but it's where your faucet handles are. Anyways, that's what broke. So we busted out, or actually my dad and Reed busted out all the tile in this hole. It was tile obviously from here down, and then the whole you'll see in the picture, but the whole tub was gray tile. And then we had some horrible tile floor, there's Adler, in here that my brother and his friend Caleb, we paid them to bust that out and then put this new tub and stuff in here. So when Reed was busting all this out, there was a hole in like this, but it was over here because it goes to the other bathroom behind here, full of razors, which is common to find in these old houses. So this is about, I think, 50s-ish. So when it makes me think about the 70-year-old dust that covered everything in our home, yeah, it kind of grosses me out. But anyways, hopefully we're going to replace this window too. It's got a crack in it. But anyways, the plan is to put shiplap. That's the plan, so I don't know, we'll see. Alright, y'all, so it's been a little while since I showed you the bathroom. This is what we have so far. This project has taken by far the longest of all of our projects because Reed's been working. He had like a 10-day off stint back when he was doing the columns and stuff. So this one's taken a little while. This is how much Reed's gotten done. This whole wall, so we can put the toilet back in, hopefully. We've ordered a new sink. He still has this little bitty micro wall and the top of this one, and we'll be done. So this is the shiplap that spaces itself. You can see when you fit it together, it automatically leaves a space or whatever. So we'll just have to, I'm not sure what Reed said he's going to do about, oh, maybe he already did it. Well then, he said something about putting some sealer, like a little bit, just where it didn't line up. Maybe, see, well no, that's like a pencil mark, is it? Anyway, see, like right here, there's a crack. He's going to fill that kind of stuff in. And then we should be good to go. Of course, this is an older home, or this part of the house is older. So this lovely window right here is not level, so Reed had to cut the shiplap. He wanted his shiplap to be level. So anyways, it might look kind of weird right now, but we are getting there. And then we'll have to paint the shiplap, but it's getting there. It's gonna look like a whole new bathroom. I'm trying to, ooh. Can't really see this, but this, see the shiplap, it has all these like marks and stuff on it where it needs to be painted. But Reed did it. It doesn't take too long. He just hasn't had very many off days, and he did take one day to go golfing, which is fine because he's been working hard. So hopefully we'll get this job finished. Alright y'all, Reed finally finished the walls except for the trim. You can see at the top there's a little piece missing. And our sink is in. He finished this little wall. We're going to replace that fixture. So we just need trim and paint for the walls. Be good to go. This has taken us a while, but it's going to be worth it. There's Adler.